Welcome, in front of me is MEIZU mBlu 21, and in this video I will show you what to do if your device's fingerprint scanner doesn't recognize your fingerprint. The first thing to do in such case is to set up a new fingerprint. To do that, open Settings, go to Security and Privacy, and scroll down and select Device Unlock. Select Face and Fingerprint Unlock, confirm with your pattern, select Fingerprint, and if you have some previous fingerprint set up on your device, then first remove them. And once you do that, select I agree. Then, before we add a new fingerprint, let's wipe the sensor of our device with a dry towel to make the surface smoother so that it reads our fingerprint clearer. Now, once you're ready, you can also remove the cover of your device for a while, and right now start touching the sensor to add a new fingerprint model. Let me try again. Okay, proceed with adding the fingerprint. And click Done. And before we proceed, let's go back to the settings, select System, and select System Updates, and let your device check for update. And if you have some updates to install, take your time and do it. And once you're ready, let's restart our phone before we try out the new fingerprint model, just to make sure that all the settings applied. And once the device is restarted, let's try to use our fingerprint model. And as you can see, everything went smoothly, and I hope it did for you too. And if it did, let us know about it in the comments. Consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like, and I'll see you in the next one.